Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm happy to share up and coming and latest Louis Vuitton bags. Of course, I would be sharing to you guys everything that we need to know, from prices, product codes, product features, and launch dates. Everything are going to be featured here, so kindly ready your phone to take a screenshot and check with your CAs for orders and availability. Guys, I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode, and happy shopping! Hi guys, Ron here, looking budgetarian fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls, and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fan. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Help me reach my 4,000 subbies this year, guys. I would really appreciate it. And kindly like and share this video. Also, please do follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Damier52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Alright, let us start first with the Louis VUITTON.SKI women's collection launching October 18th, 2024. First, we have the Sunset in shearling. Price is €3,300 or 4,050 USD. Material is shearling, color is cream. It has monogram canvas detail and it has detachable top handle and crossbody strap. Next, we have the Twist PM. Price is €4,500 or 5,800 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. Same material of shearling, but it has monogram canvas trims. It comes with fully detachable chain strap and crossbody strap. If I haven't mentioned, this collection has already launched October 18th, 2024, so please check with your CAs or the website. Then guys, how cute is this one? Capucines Mini East-West. Price is €6,900 or 7,900 USD. So the configuration of this Capucines Mini is East-West. This is actually the first time that I'm seeing an East-West version in the mini size. Same material of shearling with cream colorway. Next, we have the Bella bag. Price is €3,900 or 4,750 USD. Still from the Louis Vuitton.SKI women's collection, color is cream. Material, guys, is mahina shearling, as we could see here. It would come with detachable round coin pouch and crossbody chain strap. Same launch date of October 18th. Next, we have this very beautiful Cousin BB. Price is €3,500 or 4,400 USD. Still part of the women's Louis Vuitton.SKI collection. The colorway of this one is black and pink. Material is lambskin leather. It comes with detachable chunky chain and it would come with crossbody canvas strap. Next, we have Speedy 25 bandolier. So this is now, guys, from the Snow Gradient Nylon Frost Ski Collection launching October 18th. So price of the Speedy is €2,300 or 2,830 USD. Material is nylon with cowhide leather trims, detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it has a Louis Vuitton flower bag tag. Next, we have the very puffy on-the-go size MM. Price of this one is €3,000 or 3,700 USD. Same material, so Snow Gradient Nylon Frost. Nylon material with cowhide leather trims, so as you're going to see top view. It looks really puffy, so it comes with Louis Vuitton flower bag tag as well. Next, we have the Mini Moon monogram. Price is €1,800 or 1,970 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So this is a shoulder bag style. So this is how it looks like with open. So as we're going to see the zipper pull, is the Louis Vuitton logo. Same material, nylon, and it comes with detachable leather crossbody strap. Next, we have the Keepall size 45 bandolier. Price is €3,000 or 3,700 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. So if you want a fancy travel bag for winter, then check this one out. Same material, nylon with cowhide leather trims, detachable and adjustable leather strap with bag tag. Next collection, guys, so continuation of the COLORMANIA 2 that would be launching November 7, 2024. First, we have this very beautiful backpack Christopher MM, 3,450 USD. So that is the interior. It kind of reminds me of the Neverfull. The outside part, of course, is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. Color is John Soft Saffron. Next, we have Keepall size 50. Price of this one is 2,350 euro. We have SKU here. Colorway of this one is blue indigo. Same with the interior as we can see here. The main material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap with bag tag. Next, colorway of the Keepall 50 is the blue gaston and John Saffron. Kindly take note of their two separate SKUs, but both are priced at 2,350 USD. So the interior would be the same colorway as their leather trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable bag tag with leather strap as well. Next, we have the very beautiful KEEPALL25. Loving this John Saffron colorway. Price of this one is 2,000 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trims, and it has a detachable and adjustable leather strap, and it comes with bag tag as well. Launching November 7th, 2024. Next, we have pocket organizer. Price of this one is 380 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU. Same colorway, the John Saffron. Material is monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. So this is how it looks like when you're going to open. So it has multiple card slots and some inserts for your bills and maybe receipts. Next, we have the Nice BB, price at 1,060 euros. So kindly take note, we have two separate SKUs for two different colorways. So the first one is Rouge Sari, so this is the interior, and the second one is Blue Indigo. So the leather trims would be the same colorway as well, and the interior would be the stripe like the Neverfull. Then we have the Keepall25. Loving the contrast of this one. Price is 2,000 euro. We have SKU here. Colorway is Gaston. Main material is monogram canvas. It has cowhide leather trims, and it has the same colorway interior. It would come with detachable canvas strap and bag tag. Next, we have pocket organizer. Price is 490 euros. So Color Mania 2 collection, and the colorway is the blue Gaston. So here is how it looks like. So it has multiple card slots and of course some inserts wherein you could insert your bills or your other credit cards and maybe some receipts. Next, we have the mini soft trunk. Price is 2,750 euros. So remember this bag, guys. So this is one of the designs of the late Virgil Abloh. So as you can see, it is a softer version of a trunk. It has trunk detail. It comes with detachable crossbody bag, and it comes with monogram canvas with cowhide leather trim. The colorway is John Saffron. So here we have Pochette Voyage. Price is 830 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU. Colorway of this one is Rose Pondicherry. So actually, guys, the Rose Pondicherry, we have discussed this also previously. So if you want to backtrack, just kindly take a look of the other Color Mania 2 collection that will be launching November 7th. And then we have a new collection, the new Damier Graphite collection, Keepall 50. So price of this one is 2,150 euro. Launch date is November 7, 2024. I think this is the men's version for the Color Mania that we have just discussed previously. So as you can see, it would come with the Damier Graphite canvas with cowhide leather trim, same colorway with the interior. First, we have the Horizon 55. Price is only 2,800 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU, so the Damier Graphite canvas, and it would come with cowhide leather trim. So this is the interior. So it has silver sides, as we could see here, that it looks very sturdy for your travel. Next, we have the Pochette Voyage. Price of this one is 775 euro. Kindly take note of the SKU. So the Damier Graphite monogram canvas. So the interior is maybe blue Gaston, as we could see here. It comes with multiple card inserts. So this is an actual pouch, and maybe you could convert this one into a crossbody bag. And then we have the District Messenger. Price is 1,650 euro. We have SKU here. So this is the new Damier Graphite collection. Material is Damier Graphite canvas with cowhide leather trims and detachable canvas strap. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So guys, among the very beautiful bag selection of LV that we have discussed, did you like anything so far? I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below which ones are you adding to your wish list. Also, if you have stayed until this part of this episode, kindly leave me a dancing girl emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! Before we end our episode for today, I'm inviting you all to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's at Ramiro52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!